Boeing's Vice President for International Sales Tom Breckenridge has said that plans are underway to conduct a ski jump test of its FA-18 Super Hornet fighter jet from a carrier, as the FA-18 needs to be tested and certified for ski jump operation before Boeing can pitch the fighter jet for Indian procurement. In response to the statement made by Indian Minister of State for Defense, a Russian aviation industry official has replied that it is not quite correct to claim that the delivery of INS Vikrant is being delayed because of Russia. He also added that Russia's MiG Corporation is waiting for a request from the Indian Defense Ministry for an order to supply the deck-based MiG-29 fighter jets for India's second aircraft carrier INS Vikrant. In a major milestone, the first Tejas Squadron of the Indian Air Force has clocked 2,000 sorties in the last 3 years, which have been achieved with just a small fleet of only 18 fighter jets. Pilots from Mirage squadrons are currently flying the Tejas Mark 1, and have praised its handling and ability to customize its missile package. The second squadron of Tejas Mark 1 will be commissioned in the next few months, and it will be deployed on frontline air bases to replace MiG-21 Bison. As per latest media reports, Larsen & Toubro is in discussions with the Ordnance Factory Board to undertake some percent of their workload for the large order for assembling 464 T-90 tanks. Larsen & Toubro will complete the order for 100 K9 Vajra artillery systems within the next 6 months, and its manufacturing facility would be idle after the completion of order book. Options to export the K9 Vajra system to friendly countries are also being explored by the company. Bharat Forge had showcased a heavy lift drone at the recently concluded Defence Expo, and is hoping to grab orders from Indian Armed Forces. The drone offered is capable to lift weights of 65 kilograms, and can fly at an altitude of 6,000 meters. Bharat Forge have also signed a Memorandum of Understanding with General Atomics of the US, to co-develop new land-based systems and aerospace platforms. Bharat Forge and Ukrainian firm JSC Dastan have also partnered for upgrading CET-65 torpedoes, and have joined hands with Bharat Earth Movers Limited to develop mounted howitzer systems on 4x4 platforms. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has said that it has signed a pact with Russia's Rosaboronexport for cooperation and undertaking projects for defense systems. The Memorandum of Understanding was signed at the Defence Expo 2020, with an aim to cooperate and undertake joint projects and operations for Russian defence systems, and for offering indigenous support and solutions to the Indian Armed Forces. A group of Indian defence analysts have said that the purchase of the NASAMS-2 system could prove to be of major significance for India, as there is a gap in air defence despite the S-400 and indigenous BMD system. The experts also rejected the speculation that India is purchasing American NASAMS to balance its defence ties, and there are several strategic factors in this deal, including technology transfers. Larsen & Toubro is set to deliver the first high-speed patrol boat to Vietnam in September 2020, and 12 vessels are being built under the $100 million line of credit by the Indian government. India has extended another $500 million defense line of credit to Vietnam, and Vietnam has expressed strong interest in the Akash surface-to-air systems and Dhruv advanced light helicopters.